Share ko lang kung paano mag-check-in. So, piliin yung airline. Tapos, agree. Terms and conditions. You can scan or enter your booking number. Then, print boarding pass and baggage tag. So, lagay nyo lang yung reference number. Once na lumabas na, next. Then, print boarding pass, next. Then, remind, check-in. Then, scan nyo lang. So, ito yung passport. Facing ito. Dapat lahat nakapasok sa loob. Tapos, wait nyo lang. So, nakalagay remove. Yung isa naman, kung multiple travelers. Lagay lang ulit facing down. Then, magpiprint na yung boarding pass. Okay, thank you. Pero pag may mga bags kayo, you have to give it there. Yun lang.